Hi there, this video is to illustrate this Excel spreadsheet that I put together to automatically and randomly create mini word problems for young kids to practice addition and subtraction. So what you can do is down here you can list names of people that the child is familiar with the proper pronoun, and some verbs and things that the child likes, animals, fruit, foods, and whatnot. And for each of those things, you can indicate if it's edible, if it's an animal, if it's alive. And because we can do addition and subtraction, we're going to have some verbs that represent increases and some verbs that represent decreases. And I currently only have the active voice version of this, but you can do passive voice verbs by making a variation of this sentence that I plan to do later. And then here you can also select the ranges of numbers in between which you want to have the calculations done. So for example, it's going to pick a person, a verb, a thing, and then an increase or a decrease and an action, and compose a sentence like so. For example, Miss Milena possessed 4 ponies, but she let go of 3. How many ponies are left, right? And I even made a little button here with a smiley face that you can click on, and it generates another sentence. So let's see. Dado had 13 horses, and then he added 2 more. How many horses in total? So that was an addition. Let me see. Miss Milena owns 7 bananas, but she ate 3. So it's been made in such a way that the 8 is only going to be used if the thing is edible. Right? So it's checking on those things as well. I'm not going to have, 3 cats and I ate 2. That's not going to appear as a sentence. So how many bananas are left, and so on and so forth. And when it's a subtraction, of course, it makes sure not to go negative. So the number it takes away is always less than or equal to the number that was originally there. I figured this could be a fun and interesting thing because you can ask the kid to click to get a new sentence. It involves things and people they're familiar with, and they might have fun and not even realize that they're doing math at the same time. So I hope someone finds this useful and plays with it with their child and enjoys. See you guys later. Bye bye.